My video is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site greenspecialmyline.com. It's a website trying to trick its visitors into clicking on Allow to continue their browsing. But in reality, it's a mistake to do that, because when the Allow button is clicked, the browser may be forwarded to some other deceptive sites of a similar nature. Plus, you will also start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. It was obviously a mistake to click on Allow button, so now let us fix it. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions area and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find these junk sites, make sure you remove them from the list. To make sure that your device is free of any other threats, I strongly advise researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect, delete other threats and to protect your system from being damaged in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.